So it is now 10:59 a.m., almost 11, and I'm waiting for another required weekly test for the NOAA weather radio, but this time I'm using a different kind of weather radio, the Lacrosse S83301 model, as you can see right here. The reception here is like a kind of a little weaker with this radio, other than, my Eton FR370. So hopefully it shouldn't be too much of a problem, and I can still get the alert that's supposed to be coming in a few seconds. It is now 11 a.m. So you can't. Sorry if you can't see the display that well. Oh, here we go.
Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes the